Hey everyone, Brian Reynolds here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing off my Nespresso coffee maker, which has become my favorite coffee machine. It's much better than my Keurig. Big fan of a Keurig for the past maybe 8-10 years. Absolutely loved it. Never thought anything could be better. But then I tried Nespresso and it honestly is the best coffee. So please let me show you my machine and how to use it. This is my Nespresso coffee machine. I thought I would demonstrate how it works. This model is the Inissia. It came with a Arancino milk frother. I'll show that in another video. But anyways, if you're wondering how to use an espresso machine, this video should help you out. The first thing you want to do is you want to plug it in, which it's done already. Now I don't have any water, so I'm going to fill that up with water first. So I rinsed out my water container. Now I'm going to attach it to the back. Excellent. Now I've attached the water, and I don't know if you can see the buttons very well, but what you want to do to turn on the machine is you're going to press one of the buttons up top. So those buttons are flashing, which means it's heating up water to get your Nespresso ready. So we're going to wait until these two lights are a solid green, in which case we're almost ready to make our Nespresso. Now that sound was water coming through the spout because it had reached temperature inside, and so it's going to pour a little out, and so this means it's ready to go. So the machine is now ready for a pod. So I'm going to open it up, and we're going to insert the pod right here. So let's pick a coffee pod. Here's our cool little container that shows off all the different pods we have. I really like the India flavor, so I'm going to grab that. This is what the pod looks like. You can see it says India on the pod. And this is what the pod looks like. It's a pretty cool little thing. It's made of aluminum and it's recyclable, but I'll show you how to recycle it later. So I'm just going to open the machine. It pops right open. I got my pod here. You want to make sure that you line it up correctly. For the Inissia, you want the flat surface pointed out this way. So you kind of drop it in. It lines up real nice. Then you close the machine. Alright, and we're ready to pour our coffee. Now on the Inissia machine, you can actually flip this panel right here up, so you have room to put your coffee mug in. And I'm going to press the medium button, or the, I believe it's longo, I'm still figuring it out. But anyways, it's a beautiful pour, and here we go. Doesn't that look great? We got a nice creamy foam up top, some nice black coffee below. The cup will settle. We have a delicious coffee ready to go. I'll put this back down just in case any extra liquid drips. And then we just open the machine up. And I don't know if you heard that, but the pod just fell into a compartment on the inside, which we can pull out, and there it is there. That's so good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.